guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to kick off fall with you guys, and I thought what better way to start the fall season than with a little fall haul. It's not a ginormous one. I did not go crazy, but I did get some cute things that I wanted to share with you. So if that interests you in any way, just keep watching. Let's start with Target because that's my favorite place ever if you're new around here. Or if you're not, that's nothing new. But I shared this last fall. I think I shared it in every fall video. They came back again this year, and I've already burned halfway through. And I got this 2 weeks ago. So I'm already burning it, I already love it. This is the Pumpkin Brulee scented candle from Opal House from Target. This candle is only $10. I recently picked up 2 candles from Bath and Body Works, and well, they're still good. I like them. The price is out of control. $26 for a 3-wick candle is a lot, and they burn so fast. This is a soy candle, and I think it just lasts longer. I burned this all day on Saturday from 11 till probably 9 o'clock at night, and I still have a lot. So if you need like a perfect sweet cinnamony pumpkin smell, this is it. Pumpkin Brulee. Let's see if it says what it doesn't say what the notes are. It just says scented soy candle, but I absolutely love it. It's the best fall scent in my opinion. So if you're on the hunt for a new candle, you may want to try this one. I will link everything below if you want to check the description box for the links. Next up at Target, this came in the mail yesterday, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It is just the perfect tones for fall, and I cannot wait to style this in my kitchen. And this was $24.99, and I love that. I love the frame. The detail of the frame is really, really good. And it looks like a painted canvas. Like, it's not one of those, like, it doesn't look printed on canvas, if that makes sense. It looks real. And then I am wanting to put some drapes in my living room just to add some warmth. There's nothing on the windows in here yet, and so I'm going to start with these window panels. What I love about them is they're not bright white, but they're not a weird off-white either. They're more of like a linen, which is what my couch is. So I think that they match the couch really nice. But what I love is they have a little bit of detail without being overbearing. And these are a 95-inch curtain panel for $30. And I think that's a really good deal. I do love the ones I shared in my bedroom tour. Loved those, and I was actually going to just buy those again, but I brought them out here, and because everything is bright white, they just were too off-white. I like white and off-white together. They're just a little bit too off-white, so these were the perfect solution. So I got 2 of those, and I think they're gonna add just enough coziness for fall, but also I'm gonna leave them up all year round. So moving along, this is a steal in my opinion. This new throw blanket is absolutely gorgeous. If you can see here, all of this texture, the color is that really pretty camel color, but it's a lighter version, and I love that for fall. I love that for fall. So I picked this up, and it was $35, but this seems like this would be like $100. I felt like I was getting such a steal on it because the quality and the colors and just the texture and the quality is just outstanding. So good job, Target Threshold. I thought this was a Studio McGee, but it is not. It's just Threshold. So good job. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. I might put this on my couch. I might put this draped out of a basket. I might put this on my blanket ladder. I have not decided yet, but I will decide soon in my upcoming decorating videos. And then I am really excited about my fall porch because I do have a porch now, and I want to spruce that up for fall, obviously. So I have that on my mind a lot, and I cannot wait to do some fall potting arrangements. Like, I'm so excited about that. But I also needed a new mat. Now, you're probably like, Crystal, you don't need to change your mat out every single season. And I'm sorry, I don't need to, but I like to. And our front door is where we come and go. And so the mats do get really dirty and gross, especially when my kids, they wear cleats all the time. And it gets really dirty. So I picked up another layering mat, and it is this beautiful plaid. But what I love about it, it's not black and white. It is green. This is green, and then there's some charcoal in it too. And it's so pretty. And I think that green color is really, really pretty for fall. So I cannot wait to do that. I will get another mat to layer on top, or I might just use the one we have. But I definitely think this is really pretty. And it will go really nice with my black pots that I have already on my porch. And last but not least, from Target is this beautiful pillow. Now, I've shared a bunch of pillows with you for fall in videos in the past, like just for this year. I'll link those below if you want to check them out. But I wanted this one. I was thinking I was going to put this on my porch. So the green and the brown burgundy colors with some pumpkins and some mums. I think it's going to look so pretty, and I cannot wait. And this is pretty, like, it's a pattern, but it's not like in your face. I love it. I love the texture of these pillows. These are $22, very good size, and they're 20 by 20. And what I love the most is they have a zipper. So I can take them, I can put them on my porch, and I can wash them. And I will probably switch out the insert because I like a more fluffy one. And I have a plethora of those. So I'm really excited about this. And that's it from Target. Whoops. Like I said, I don't have, this isn't a giant haul, but it's just a few really like core pieces that you could use even when it wasn't fall. So I also went to my friend's pop-up shop. I've talked about her several times on here. I will leave her Instagram linked in the description box, and that is how you contact her if you're interested in any of these pieces. And that's where you can buy them. First off, I got this haunted house sign. I loved it. I think it's absolutely adorable. It's pretty neutral, which I like, but I also really love, if you know me, I love oranges and yellows and like your typical fall colors. I love those. But for Halloween, I think this would be really cute above my stove on my hood vent. I think it's like the perfect size for that. And it'll just be a little spooky sign, and I can dress it up, I can dress up the shelf with some other spooky things. I'm really excited about it. I love fall. Fall is my favorite time of year. It is my birthday. It is football season. I'm rocking a sports t-shirt today because it's game day. But I love it. I love everything about it. I probably love fall more than I love Christmas. I know, but I've shared these, something similar last year, but these are actual picks. The ones I showed last year were like a garland, and I draped them out of a basket. And she does have those baskets too. So I will show you the basket as soon as I'm done here. So if you're interested, you'll want to get a hold of her ASAP before she sells out. They're perfect. I use them all year round, and I love changing out the stems in it. But my most favorite season is fall with that basket. But these are cute. Also, they'll, in a little vase on your coffee table or on your kitchen table, anywhere. They're so fun. And I got 2 of those. I also picked up this little riser from her. How cute. It's like scalloped, and then it's got the wood base with the white top. Love it. She had it really styled, really cute in a tray with a witch hat on it. And I'm gonna ask her if she has any more of the witch hats, because I should have bought that. I've been thinking about it since I left that day. I didn't buy it. but I think I'm gonna. So it was really cute, but this will be cute with a pumpkin styled on it, a candle. That's how I've been using it the last few days since I got it, was with the little candle on there like that. So fun. And then I think the last thing I got from her were these little pumpkin tins. Now, I'm not going to use them for this, but a few years ago, Michael sold something very similar, and this is what I use to put all of my Boo Your Neighbor little treats in, and it was absolutely adorable. So I'll link that too if you want to check out that video. It's very old, but it was really cute, a really cute idea, and I have little witch feet coming out the top. It was so cute. But this year I'm going to actually style these somewhere. I think probably on my kitchen shelves or somewhere. These are gonna get styled, I'm not sure. You'll have to come back and see. But let me show you the basket really quick, and I think that's it. I think that's all I have. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite thing of the haul was and what you're most excited for about fall in the comments. I'd love to know. I also want to know like what kind of fun videos you want to see from me. Obviously we are going to be decorating. We are going to be doing my porch. We're going to be doing cooking, baking, something, treats. I love doing fall treats. Something fun like that. But if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments below. All right. This is the basket that I was telling you about. Right now I have hydrangeas in there, but I will soon put those hops, those yellow hops in there, and they're really pretty and they just kind of cascade out. So if you're interested in that too, be sure to contact my friend. You will not be disappointed, I promise. It's absolutely beautiful. The basket is huge. This is my hand. In comparison, it's large. So if you have a good space for something that big, I also think these are really cute on a front door. I just don't have a big enough front door for that. But if you do, this is awesome alternative to a wreath. That's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't. You're not gonna wanna miss my fall decorating. I promise you it's gonna be really good. And I think it's gonna be good, okay? And hopefully some of you do too. But I will catch you guys in my next video. See ya.